Hello and welcome to Prime News. First, a look at the headlines. Controversial coal block developer of Goa KSK Ventures made huge funding to BJP and Congress. Congress got 2 CR, BJP got 4.5 CR in last 5 years. Survivor daughter-in-law accused of double murder in Vasco confesses crime, says she killed in-laws. Pratima remanded to 14 days police custody. Panji still lurks in heaps of garbage. Taligaon Pato Kampal flooded with garbage and silt. Panjikar is lost in garbage trap. Prudent's capital battle report. Five cases of swine flu are reported in state. 1 dead, rest out of danger. Family and friends of deceased test negative for swine flu. And Goa Cricket Association's GPL 2020 Bonanza from 21st February. Kakulo Group ventures into cricket competition. Teams from Maharashtra and Delhi complete 8-team field. And now the news in detail. BJP and Congress received huge funding from controversial KSK Ventures. Yes, the funding has come from KSK Energy Venture, who was awarded contract of Goa's Chhattisgarh coal block. Importantly, the parties were funded for the first time exactly when the tainted contract was given to KSK Venture, and BJP was funded second time after Goa's government moved in Parivartan government came to power. This information was revealed in reports of Association for Democratic Reforms. This issue had also rocked in assembly on several occasions. Prudent's exclusive report. Union government had allotted a coal block for Goa in Chhattisgarh. In February 2009, IDC had given contract to KSK Energy Ventures Private Limited to extract coal and generate power. Now have a look at these documents. Soon after entering into contract with Goa government, KSK Ventures funded ruling Congress with 2 crore rupees. The company also funded opposition party BJP with 2 crores. In few days, this project faced controversies. Chaos was witnessed in assembly over this project. There were charges against IDC, but after BJP came to power in 2012, the picture changed. Have a look. Same KSK Ventures funded BJP with 2.5 CRs in 2011-12. However, Congress reduced to a single digit and Goa was not funded with a single penny. This fact came to fore in ADR's report. This has raised questions over funding of both major political parties in state. In Delhi, AAP at present is facing hit due to party funding by a Benami company. Has party funding become a new tool of corruption? Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar for Prudent. Police feel that survivor daughter-in-law Pratima Naik is the prime suspect in double murder case at Mangur Hill in Vasco. As per highly placed sources, Pratima had bad record with Naik family. Till now, the investigation has revealed that Pratima had earlier tried to administer sleeping pills to her sister-in-law Neha Naik. Police also feel that Pratima is mentally strong enough to murder both. Pratima has been remanded to 14 days police custody. Late evening report says that she has confessed her crime. Here are some of the revelations.
Accused in double murder case, Pratima Naik has been remanded to 14 days police custody on Tuesday. She is accused for her role in double murder of her sister-in-law Neha Naik and her mother-in-law Usha Naik.
तिचो आज 14 days remand मेळ्ळो आसा. Remand custody, 14 days custody in this matter. Police custody. आणि investigation, interrogation त्याचे चालू आसा.
Pratima Naik was arrested by Vasco police on Monday night. After initial investigations, highly placed sources informed that Pratima had a bad record with Naik family. Pratima had tried to administer sleeping pills to Neha Naik, who was her sister-in-law. Pratima had earlier robbed gold bangles of Neha Naik, gave it to her mother through her ex-boyfriend. Pratima's mother-in-law Usha Naik did not allow her to go out of the apartment. Hence, she communicated with her boyfriend through the window. A goldsmith in Vasco confirmed that Pratima's mother exchanged the gold bangles for different pattern bangles. Vasco police are in search of her other partner in crime. However, the accused is still at large. Police has also recovered sleeping pills from Pratima's apartment. Sources also informed that Pratima is mentally strong to have committed the crime by herself without any help.
It is still not clear, but we are looking at that also, whether someone has helped her.
No, you will have taken the remand, you have arrested.
We have arrested her.
You will have taken a suspect.
We feel that she is the prime suspect.
However, police are in search for other accused in crime. Police investigation in double murder case is in progress. Reporters Mukesh Kumar and Dishant Parab for Prudent.
Political leaders gave the best pose with brooms for Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, but Panji still lurks in heaps of garbage. Taligaon, Pato, Kampal is flooded with garbage and silt. Panjikar is lost in the garbage trap. Panji, the capital city, gave Goa a chief minister and loan corporation of state, but none of them could solve garbage crisis. In our bipole series, Battle Capital special report on garbage trap around the capital city.
These visuals is enough to expose how directionless and inefficient is our garbage disposal system. The then Chief Minister Digambar Kamath accepting guard of honor amidst garbage smokes in the background at Kampal on Goa's Liberation Day in 2011. Though the scene is 4 years old, the situation is still the same today. Panji alone produces 90 to 100 tons of garbage every day. Wet garbage is shifted to Pato plant while dry waste is dumped at Kampal and Santines. If everything goes well with the CCP Safai workers, the garbage gets collected regularly. But a concrete solution to the heaps of accumulated garbage dumps is still a distant one. Earlier, Panji garbage was being dumped at Taligaon Plateau. Now, Taligaon cars are also upset. Pato hosts commercial and government offices. It is known as Nariman Point of Goa. Classy from outer appearance, but the stinks welcomes the pedestrians and commuters who travel with the mouth and nose covered. The stink of garbage is unbearable along the stretch of Pato, Mara, Cordior and Fontenache areas. There are 3 major schools in this vicinity. School students and teachers have learned to live with the menace.
सकाळचे जेन्ना वारें येवचें येता तेन्ना खूब वास येता भुरग्यांक त्रास जाता.
त्यो घाणी अश्यो येता म्हणल्यार आमकां सामके वकारे आयिल्ल्या भशेन जाता.
गार्बेजीचें म्हणल्यार आमकां जेयता आसतना सुद्दां इतको त्रास जाता की दारां बिरां बंद करून जेवचें पडटा. 100% काडूकूच जाय तो.
तेजेर कितें तरी सरकारान सामको किंवा म्युनिसिपालिटीन हेजेर कितें तरी उपाय करूंकूच जाय.
Kampal and Santines is a dumping point of plastic and dry garbage. These heaps of garbage at Kampal are set ablaze on many occasions. Probably not in the DNA of the authorities to have a nuisance-free mechanism to dispose garbage. Panjikars are totally frustrated with the state of affairs. Government plans to set up organic garbage treatment plant at Kadamba bus stand, but that too comes under the non-development zone in the ODP.
पाट्यार जो प्लांट जावपा जाय आसा पळय तो पाट्यार नाका पूण तो बांगणीक घालोवपाक जावो.
आनी कांपाल आनी पाट्यार सद्या भितर डंपिंग चालू आहा.
ते डंपिंग दुसरे कडेन घालोवपाचें तेंचें.
CCP acquired 1,71,000 square meters of land at Baingani in 2009 with the plan to set up a garbage treatment plant. But yet again, locals don't trust the authorities.
एके सायडीक गव्हर्मेंट सपोर्ट करता ती हेरिटेज सायट आसल्यान सगळें क्लीन दवरपाक वेवस्थीत दवरपाक. दुसरे सायडीक पणजे म्युनिसिपालिटी आसा आनी गव्हर्मेंट जें आसा ते थंयसर ट्रिटमेंट प्लांट करूंक सोदता. हें एक विचित्र हें दिसता आनी त्या खातीर खंयच्याच परिस्थितीन थंयसर गार्बेज ट्रिटमेंट प्लांट हो फिजिकल जायना.
CCP strives to see Baingani garbage treatment plant as a reality, but the legal formalities and paperwork are far from getting over.
When our plant designs are ready, we need to go to the panchayat and get permissions, approvals, construction licenses. All this is taking time. It should take a year.
Congress claims Baingani garbage treatment plant will be set up within 180 days. BJP says Pato plant will be shifted. Nobody wants garbage in his backyard. Real estate developers too distance themselves from such sites. With present state of affairs, state face a trust deficit while Panjikar awaits a sigh of relief. Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.